Okay, so we're here at Grandma's house today. We've got a issue with a block drain. I don't know what she's been putting down there, but it looks like it's been there a while. A lot of water that's been flowing over the patio, and she hasn't told me. But we're going to see what the Skyvac can do today. So it's not a tool that's intended to be used primarily for this, but I think what I'll do is I'll put the pipe down the hole there. I'll shove it right down and I'll turn it on and let it go until the level switch goes off, and we'll just see if we can clear it this way. Let's see. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've got the pipe in. I can feel it down the bottom. I can see a bit of stuff coming up, a bit of food scraps. Let's see what this baby can do.
Ooh, a few pieces coming out in the field. A few solid pieces.
And feeling here lumps of something coming up. Picking. Went from in there it was. Hopefully it's not the pipe. Good way. Give us. We roll with the big one. Grab it. Set the deep.
Big chunks of solid Alright, so she's pretty heavy. Just completely sucked that pipe dry. And I could feel some big chunks coming up. So let's just have a look. Oh, look at that. What has she been putting in there? I'm not sure if we got PVC in that or what. Let's just have a look.